Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on your FanDuel account. This is a mandatory step required by law to ensure you are of legal age and to keep your account secure. Now, this process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, before we start, it's crucial to know that FanDuel is only available for users who are physically located in certain states in the United States and Canada. So this guide is for viewers in those specific regions. But if you want to access it from other regions, you may have to use some tricks like a VPN or proxy changes. FanDuel is a real money gaming platform, so they are required by law to verify the identity of their users. This is done to prevent fraud and confirm you meet the legal age requirement, which is usually 21 plus in the US, and to ensure a secure platform for everyone. Now, you won't be able to deposit, withdraw, or place any bets until you complete this process. The verification process usually begins the moment you create your account, as FanDuel will automatically prompt you to enter your personal details. Here's what you have to do. First, when you create an account, you will need to enter your full legal name as it appears on your government ID. First, you will have to enter your email address, so start with that.
First, enter your email address, then create a username and a password. And then after entering your username, simply add a password and then simply click on Create Account. Now on the next page, you'll be asked for your phone number and your date of birth. Now this is for the automatic process, but if you want to do it manually instead, choose Verify Manually instead. This is the page where you have to enter your legal name. After adding your legal name, simply click on Next, then choose your date of birth. Then enter your phone number. And then after entering the phone number, simply click on Next. And now over here, simply enter your address. And then after entering your address details, click on Next. Now, simply click on this checkbox option and enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. And if you want, you can also enable two-factor authentication in this section. And once you have entered the last 4 digits of your social security number, simply click on Verify My Identity and it will begin the process.
Now, for most people, the automatic check works perfectly. However, sometimes there may be a typo or your details don't match with public records, so you'll be asked to provide more information by uploading some other documents. So if this happens, FanDuel will prompt you to upload clear pictures of a government-issued ID. And here's what you have to do if that happens. You will be asked to choose a form of ID, like a driver's license or a passport. Then the system will ask you to use your phone's camera to take a clear photo of the front and the back of that particular ID. Next, you may also be asked to take a live selfie to match your face with the ID photo. And make sure that you were in a well-lit room when you were doing this particular process. Now, once you submit all the photos, the FanDuel team will review them manually. This can take a little time, but you'll receive an email confirming once your account is verified. So that's it. You now know the complete process for verifying your identity on FanDuel. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.